Are you good with butter?
Oh, I love butter.
Okay, good, good.
Thought you'd never ask.
I probably have a really healthy diet, right? Do you want to see a little trick for lemons?
Yes. Oh, I just got a vitamin B12 shot and a vitamin D shot in my butt. I think this is a giant, delicious meal.
Hi, I'm Melissa Clark.
I'm Amanda Seyfried, and this is New York Times Cooking, and Melissa's gonna teach me how to make a Parmesan cabbage soup.
Total honesty. You have to be totally honest.
That's fine.
Okay, good. So do you cook?
I do not.
You don't at all?
No, but I can make eggs and cereal.
Okay.
I only ever get my baking from my app, my New York Times Cooking.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, so wait, do you use our app?
Yes, absolutely.
I love that.
I do all my, I'm a baker, and I have my own eggs and my own hens.
I saw your farm.
They're small, but they're very yolky, very orange yolky.
Do you grow vegetables on the farm, or what do you?
My mom does.
Really? What does she have?
Mesclun and kale and cucumbers and lots of tomatoes and raspberries and blueberries.
Seriously?
Very difficult, but yes.
Is she the cook? Who cooks in your family?
My husband cooks.
Aha.
My mom is not a good cook. If my dad were cooking, he would only ever cook a tuna casserole and mustard in a way that shouldn't be used. I don't want to think about it, but
Okay,
yeah.
all right, well, we're not going to think about it.
Not
We're
good
not doing that. We're
cooks.
not doing that. We're not going to do tuna casserole.
But I will say, like, I'm good with bland.
Oh, you are?
I grew up without salt.
Really?
I didn't really know about it. Yeah.
Really? And
yeah.
so when you first discovered salt, were you like, wait, there's flavor in food?
Like, cheese has a flavor no matter what, right? And
totally.
we used a lot of it.
Okay, so there
So
you
that
go.
was
So
my
that was your
salt.
salt. That was, okay, we're going to do the same thing with the soup that we're going to make.
Really?
We're going to
It's
salt
Parmesan,
it.
right?
Yeah, we're going to salt it with Parmesan.
It's delicious.
Because it's like, why not just add flavor along with your salt?
I think
That's
so.
exactly right.
Yeah.
I love that you picked a cabbage recipe.
I love Polish food.
This person is after my own heart. I love
yeah,
cabbage.
me too.
Do you grow them? Tell your mom to grow some cabbage.
I don't think we grow cabbage.
They're really easy.
Really? That looks difficult to me.
We're going to make this, and you're going to be able to make it for
And it
your
is something I could make, because we love soup. My son is obsessed with soup now, and anything that he likes, we're gonna make it.
Will he eat cabbage? Is he picky? Are your kids
He's picky, yeah. My daughter's not picky, but my son is.
Okay.
But because he likes soup, we can just throw stuff in it.
And then he'll eat it.
Kind of.
I mean, honestly, the leeks are the hardest things, and they're not even that hard.
I think it's gonna be fine. Are those cornflakes?
Do you need a cereal
No,
snack?
I just thought it was a weird choice.
So if I give you tasks, you're cool with that?
Yes.
Okay, this is a soup I make for myself when I eat by myself.
Really?
Yes, it's just cabbage and Parmesan and rice, and it's so soothing. It's
What's
like
the broth?
You can do homemade broth, but we're just using vegetable broth.
Okay.
Or chicken broth. You can just use
Would
box.
it be good with bone broth?
Amazing with bone broth.
Bone broth is one of my favorite things.
Oh, this with bone broth, because it has so much flavor, and it'll also give it body. You know how bone broth is like a little bit thick?
Oh, big time.
Yeah.
After I had my first child,
Yep.
they're like, bone broth.
Gotta eat the bone broth,
And I was
yep.
like, ugh. And then my taste buds just started to like need it and
Yeah.
want it, and I love it. But making your own takes a while.
It does, but if you have an Instant Pot, it goes fast.
Okay, we have a million of them.
Oh, well, there you go.
Our kitchen is so chef approved. I don't know how to use any of it. It's all for my husband. I can't believe I'm actually gonna be able to make this.
You are. So leeks, again, I'm like asking if you grow everything, just because I'm obsessed with the idea that you have a...
You want me to grow leeks? I'll grow leeks.
I do, because leeks are you get to tell your mom to grow leeks. So the thing about leeks is they can be really dirty, because the way you do them is you pile up the soil. Look at that. You have to wash them really well.
Okay.
So we're gonna cut the bottoms off, and we have a little trash bowl right there.
For the compost.
Yep, and then we're gonna save this to make our bone broth, which we're not really gonna make
What?
today, but we're gonna, yeah, you save the leek tops. You save everything.
So it's bone leek broth.
Yeah, I always put leeks in all my stocks. I put in
Why?
leek, because, smell that. It's that oniony delicious. It just adds so much flavor.
I understand.
You know, it just
Yeah.
gives it that sweetness.
That is potent.
Yes, so we're gonna save these,
know that.
and I'm gonna cut this in half, and then we're gonna just bring them to the sink, and we can see if we can even see the soil. Yeah, see, we're gonna clean these really, really well.
Interesting.
You just wanna swish out all the soil. That one looks pretty clean, actually.
It's really clean. This is crazy. Look how beautiful that is.
I know, right?
So what are you doing now?
Okay,
You're ripping
so
these in half.
rip it in half. You just wanna do like a little claw like that.
Interesting.
And do it the way you're comfortable doing it. I feel like trying to change in the middle of making a video is like, that's when you cut yourself. The first cooking video I ever made, I cut myself so badly because I wasn't used to.
Did you pretend that you hadn't?
No,
So
I had
then
to get,
there's
no, we
blood
had to
everywhere?
get, there was blood everywhere, and we had to get crazy glue and like seal it up, and
Ooh.
yep, it was a nightmare. See, you did great.
Okay, this is stunning. It's like a flower.
Isn't it beautiful?
I love growing my own things. My girlfriend bought me apple trees for my birthday one year. We have a pear tree that makes pears that are never ripe. We have a lot of pumpkins. But I cut all our apples that go bad before we eat them. We eat a lot of apples in little tiny pieces for our chickens. So everything goes back to the chicken. Why is that affecting my eyes?
Because
It's an onion.
yeah, onion, exactly. But they're milder. Are you sensitive? I'm so sensitive to onions. But leeks are better for me. We're gonna do a little bit of butter. Are you good with butter?
Oh, I love butter.
Okay, good, good.
I thought you'd never ask.
Here, just throw them right in the pot. Should we move on to cabbage?
Yes, cabbage. Cabbage!
Cabbage, a beautiful cabbage. So I'm gonna let that cook over medium heat, and I'm just
So
gonna
instead of
stir it.
onions, leeks all the time?
You know why I love leeks? Because they have a slightly milder, sweeter flavor than onions.
Yeah.
And also, if I had to cut that onion, I would be crying. My eyes are so sensitive. Leeks do not affect me as much as onions. So whenever I can use them, I do.
You prioritize
Yeah,
leeks
exactly.
over. Okay, great to
Exactly.
know.
And the worst are shallots, which I love. They're so delicious, but they make me cry.
Shallots are big in our house.
Are they?
And
I mean,
garlic.
They're really. Oh, God.
Can I
Well,
tell
we're
you
gonna do the
something
garlic.
embarrassing?
Yes.
I hate garlic.
What? Should we not put it in the?
No, we
thing?
should, but I hate it.
Okay, you hate the flavor when it's cooked. Or you just hate dealing with it.
All of it.
Uh-huh.
Isn't that
Wow,
funny?
it is funny.
Heck, I hate's a strong word. I'm
Dislike?
not a fan.
Not a fan?
I'm
But
not
your
a fan of
husband
garlic.
uses it anyway?
He uses it all the time.
All right.
It's fine, but but I won't put a garlic clove in my mouth if I'm sick. Do you know what I mean?
So you could just slice it like that, or you could have it. Maybe have it. That'll make it easier.
Like an apple.
Yeah, and then just slice it.
Yep, okay.
It doesn't really matter because it's going to cook
I
down
like
so much.
chunks, actually.
Oh, really? All right, we could chunk.
No, I mean, I like thicker, so I'll just do thicker.
Do it thicker then.
I love when cabbage is cooked. Oh, it's so good.
I love raw cabbage. I love the sweetness of raw. I always eat raw cabbage. Right? It's so good.
It'd be good in a sandwich.
Instead of lettuce.
What about your like gastrointestinal system? Is my ride home gonna be interesting?
No, you're going to be good because first of all, you probably eat a lot of fiber. You probably have a really healthy diet, right?
I had some chia seeds today. So these are good or no?
Yeah, those are perfect.
Or should I do a little bit?
You can do a little more.
Willy-nilly?
Yep. Exactly.
Knives are so scary.
Yes, but
So
that
many.
is perfect.
Okay, great.
You did great. Check these leeks out before we
They
add
look so pretty in
Aren't
there.
they?
I
like-
love butter
I
so
love
much.
butter.
Buttered pasta.
Buttered anything.
Butter on its own.
Butter on its own. Did you ever do that when you were a kid? Just like
Yeah.
slice the cold butter and eat little pieces? I did that when I
Well,
was a kid all the time.
the cat started eating butter, and I was like, that must be good.
Because the cat knows.
Yeah,
Twist
it really
again.
knows.
So this is
Yeah.
sort of sauteed and soft, and now I'm going to add, how do you feel, I know you said you liked bland food, but how do you feel about a pinch of chili flakes? We won't do a lot.
A pinch is good.
A pinch is good. Okay,
Yeah.
so small pinch.
Just a pinch?
Yeah.
Okay.
We can do more.
No, that's good.
We're
What
gonna-
is that?
That is salt, but we're not adding it all. Don't worry, we're just
Salt.
adding.
No, I'm kidding.
That's right, I forgot you. The salt.
never seen
I would like to introduce you to salt. This is your new favorite ingredient.
If my mom's cooking,
Yeah.
my husband is like just
It's like,
to all of it.
oh wait, garlic. So you know, I'm
Okay.
hesitant to add this, 'cause
Yeah.
but I'm gonna do it. Should we
should
do
do it for
less of it?
Yeah, it
All
looks
right,
so
I'm just gonna do
glistening.
one garlic clove,
Okay.
okay?
If you were at home making this, would you use
I would
extra
do all three.
garlic?
No, I would do
Okay.
the three. I think three is good. Like you don't want too much garlic. You want
Right.
just like, you know, you want it to add like a little bit of a tang. You know, garlic has that like tang, like it's just a little
Yeah,
bit.
it's.
That's why you don't like it.
I don't know.
All right, well this is just one clove.
Oh wow, that's how you do it. You
I don't even take out a knife
Oh,
because it's just so much easier. Okay, do you smell?
oh, that smells great.
Yeah.
That doesn't bother me at all.
Okay, great. Now let's throw all of this in.
How much does it make? How many?
It's gonna make enough for your whole family. Should we talk about your movies?
Yeah.
I saw The Housemaid and
You saw both of them?
I saw both. Of course, I saw both of them because I
Damn.
knew you were coming over.
Thanks. That's
So-
a
and
hefty
I,
afternoon.
And no, I did them two separate times. First of all, they're amazing.
Thanks.
They're such different characters, and they're coming out at the exact same
It's
time.
weird.
How do you wrap your head around these two very different characters?
It's really fun to just do something completely opposite. Both characters are super dynamic and there's
Yeah.
so much to mine from. My whole career has been designed in a way to keep audiences guessing and to keep myself interested and excited because if it's something I've done a million times, I'm not going to be excited about it and I'm not going to want to go to work.
Annalise looked like it was really hard to film.
Those movies are made on a dime.
Oh, is that right?
We're like stretched thin with scheduling. And then we're doing all these big dance numbers and I'm singing live and it's very physical, but it's also, the more physical it is, the more fulfilling it is in a way because you're relating to yourself in a different way. Something that you're doing physically over and over and over again in 100-degree weather can kind of make you almost feel like the adrenaline and the exhaustion can only like almost take you to a euphoric place, which is what
Which was exactly, that was
so
like.
it kind of works. Grueling, but also that's why we do it. Because if there's something challenging, like even like a recipe you cannot figure out, once you do figure it out, you're just like.
Then it's yours forever.
It's yours forever, and you're so empowered.
So true.
That's my donkey. My ring is a donkey because I get homesick a lot. Aww. No, that's just a donkey from the internet.
Oh, okay. So you see how much we've lost volume on this? Like when we started, the cabbage was like at the top of the, and it's just cooked down, and that's
Fruits and vegetables, man.
I know, there's so much water. It's evaporated, it's condensed, and it's really sweet at this point. And now let's add our.
Oh, I love that.
I know that
sound.
sizzle.
Oh wow, a brine.
So this is a rind of a Parmesan.
Sorry, rind.
Rind of the.
Oh wow, a rind.
And here it is. This is adding salty umami.
Yes, it is.
And
oh
we're
my
gonna
god.
Throw it right in.
That is so smart. I've never seen my husband do that.
Tell him to put them in the freezer, and then when you have a lot of them, you can make Parmesan broth. Yep. And then this is just thyme.
Yeah.
Throw that in. And then that's just rice. You can just put that right in here.
Oh, I really just put it in?
Yeah, just put it in.
This is gonna cook.
It's gonna cook. At this point, there's nothing that could go wrong with this soup.
God.
Like it's just gonna do its
The
thing.
soup is so perfect. It's cabbage and rice and cheese.
So we just leave this for 20, 25 minutes. The cabbage is gonna get super soft and silky. The rice is gonna get nice and tender. And all of that delicious Parmesan is going to infuse the broth.
It's like the perfect meal.
We were chatting, but normally if you're in the kitchen doing this yourself, this is like a 45-minute tops, including cooking.
Right.
So, and then while it cooks, you can go do something else.
And it lasts a week, 5 days?
Oh, yeah, it'll last a week in the fridge.
Okay. Oh, that's what I do. That's what I do.
What?
I put a wet paper towel underneath.
Yeah, that's the thing to do. That's exactly, it keeps it steady.
Oh my God, that looks incredible. I think this is a giant, delicious meal.
Okay, so you can see the rice is really tender. The thyme sprigs, you could take them out. We could have tied them with a little string, but we were too lazy.
No, that's good. It's fun. It's like a game. Where's
Let's
Waldo?
find them. Where are they? You want to try to find some?
Sure.
Oh, okay, here, you know what? Get rid of the rind.
Ooh,
Get rid of the
look at
rind.
her. She went soft.
Do you want a zest? Do
Yep.
you want to do that?
I zest
You want a zest?
for
Here.
my lime cookies.
Oh.
It's really hard to do. Do you want me to do it hard? Is that
Yeah, no, that's great.
any more?
Yeah, a little more, I think. The flavors right now, you've got cabbage, which got and leeks, and together when you saute them in butter, they get super sweet. And then you have the savoriness of the broth, but you don't have acidity, you don't have brightness. And
Okay,
so we're gonna
got
add
it.
lemon juice too. But the lemon zest really whenever
I
use
never
juice,
knew.
Yeah.
I never knew about the zest, how insanely powerful it is.
It's so good, isn't it?
I had no idea.
And then why don't we add,
Extra cheese?
yeah, we can put more on top too. How do you feel about dill?
I love dill.
Now what about cilantro?
I love cilantro.
Okay, here we go. We're adding
so much.
everything.
But that only happened when I became an adult and moved
Really,
out
did
of
you
the
not?
house.
Did you not have it, or you didn't like it when you were a kid?
Never had it.
So we're gonna squeeze the juice in, take a knife, and just flick the seeds out. And then I can just squeeze it in. I don't have to worry about the seeds. Here, you taste it, and I'm gonna taste it, and we're gonna decide if it needs more salt or more cheese.
I'm probably gonna say it doesn't need anything.
You're not
extra.
good. You're not a good
you know, I'm
salt
a-
taster.
I'm from.
Totally needs more salt. What do you
No,
think?
perfect. No, this is
Need more salt, right? Okay.
Oh my God.
Here, don't look. Look the other way.
Oh my God. It's so good. Oh,
See,
wow. So
that makes a big
salt-
difference. Yeah.
Oh wow, salt.
Yeah, salt. Turns out it works.
Oh my God,
You're
look
gonna
at
eat that. I love that you just did that. Is it good?
Oh yeah, it
Is
is.
that the thing?
Just the rind. Oh my God. Is this for me?
This is for you.
Thank you.
Wait,
I'm always the
gonna-
first
hang
to
on,
eat.
Hang on, because
And I
you're
just
the
don't wait
hungriest.
for people because
No, you
the
shouldn't wait
French-
for people. Yeah, in Italy they say that too. You
And
should.
yeah, the cilantro is killer. Everything about it is just amazing. I do enjoy food.
Well, and now you can make something and know that whenever
This
you're
is
by
not
yourself.
hard, especially if you have all the ingredients out already.
Exactly. You mise en place. You just set it all up.
Is that a French term?
That's a French term. Mise en place. Put it all in its place.
I think this is incredible.
You do?
It's very exciting to be with you and to be doing this and to show me a new side of what food can do. Because by the way, I needed to learn.
Well, but you did. You were a perfect student. So thank you. Thank you for coming to New York Times Cooking School.
Thank you for having me.
I'm adding
This
more
is
salt.
insane. You are? Oh my God.
I'm a salt head.
This is exactly perfect as it is. I love that. We just have different taste buds. It's amazing.
Okay, so Amanda, tell us why you're here.
I love Polish food. Oh yeah, okay, so yes, my new movie, The Housemaid, is out in theaters everywhere on, oh my God, it's so soon, December 19th. I couldn't be more proud of this insane ride of a movie. It's the most fun I've ever had playing
You
a
were
character.
so demonic in it.
Thank you so much. So yeah, December 19th, and please enjoy this recipe.
A little birdie, namely Wikipedia, told me it was your 40th birthday last night.
Yesterday.
So we have something for you.
Is it a cake? Oh, you guys. Oh my God, this is amazing. Okay. These are home baked.
Yes.
Oh my God. Oh, thank you so much. Oh boy. This frosting is insane.
It's just
Yeah, that's sour cream. Okay, thank you.